I'm not one to like jump on trends. I feel like I just love doing makeup that I love. But this is one trend I can totally get down with, and that is the bronzy, glowy latte makeup trend that is going all around social media at the moment, and it's so my vibe. I love doing this kind of makeup, so I'm gonna show you exactly my take on it. So my skin is all prepped and I'm gonna go straight into the base first. And the skin is all juicy, plumped, glowy skin. So we're gonna get exactly that kind of vibe with some of my favorite products. I'm gonna first take the Beauty Crop Melon Jelly Dew Primer and get that all over my face. And this is a very nice, hydrating, glowy primer that's also gonna make the makeup stay and last really well as well. We are gonna be layering the bronzing effect for this makeup look. So I'm gonna go in with the Wind Marrakesh Sun Instant Glow Tanning Water and get this on all over my face. I get so many comments and questions like, what is that stuff that you're dripping on your face, the brown liquid? It is this, it is beautiful, I love it. Ever since it launched, I've been using it all the time. It is fab. As you can tell, my skin has got a beautiful like inner glow, like I've been in the sun, and I absolutely love this. It doesn't smell like tanning products either, and it is just, it's beautiful. I love actually wearing this with like no makeup on, just a little bit of concealer. It's gorgeous. My new thing is concealer before foundation. I just love doing this because I feel like I put less product on my base, especially in the summer and like just in general when I don't want to feel like I'm wearing too much makeup. I love going in with the concealer first. So I'm going to be taking a mixture of the Kosas concealer and the Maybelline Eraser Eye concealer and getting that onto the usual areas where I like to conceal, brighten and highlight my face. And as always, blending it all out with a damp beauty sponge. I know I said I'm going to be using some of my favourite products for this makeup look, but there are a couple of new things that I'm going to be trying out as well, and one of them is the base. I've seen this base all over TikTok, and I knew I had to get it because it's super glowy and it's right up my street. So I'm going to be taking the Be Perfect Cosmetics Chroma Cover Luminous Foundation in the shade W5 and getting that all over my face, and using that same beauty sponge to blend everything out. That was such a beautiful match. I kind of just guesstimated the match like online, and I feel like it looks really, really lovely, and it's still got a really nice, beautiful like glow to it. And it's got pretty decent coverage. You can still see my freckles a little bit and like my little blemish I've got here, but overall, that is a very, very nice finish. I'm very quickly going to set all the areas where I applied concealer with a little bit of the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just dusting it on because I don't want my skin to look too matte for this. I want to still make sure it's got a beautiful glow to it. So using the tiniest layer of this. Now it's time for the highlight of the show, but I actually don't mean the highlight, I mean the bronzer of the show. And that is making sure my skin is looking really beautiful and sun-kissed and bronzed and just like I've been in the sun or on holiday, to give that like latte look to it. So I'm going to take a cream bronzer. The one I'm using is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer in the shade Medium. And I'm getting this onto all the areas where the sun would hit my face naturally and where I would naturally bronze and tan. And I'm going to make sure that this is really beautifully blended into the foundation and into my skin. And I love using this product as my cream bronzer because it is so easy and beautiful to blend, and it really does look like it's second skin. So I know this looks pretty intense at the moment, but I'm going to go in with my damp beauty sponge and just kind of blend all of those areas in and make sure it's really looking seamless, like you can't see where the bronzer starts and finishes. Now I'm going to set that bronzer in place using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores bronzer, and I love that this has got a slight shimmer to it. So it's not only going to set, but it's also going to add a little bit more of a bronzy glow to the skin, which I absolutely love. And one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to concentrate this onto my cheeks as well. And this is going to add like a bit of like a blusher vibe, but without actually having to add any kind of colour to the cheeks. And I'm also running that slightly on my nose as well to add some warmth there too. The base would not be complete without some highlights, so I'm taking an oldie but a goodie, and it's something that I've been reaching for a lot recently, and that is the Soft and Gentle from MAC. And I'm getting this onto the usual areas, the high points of my cheeks, a little bit into my brow bone, and a little bit on the bridge of my nose as well. That is the base all done, and now it's time to move on to eyes. I'm going to be taking the new Rare Beauty All of the Above Weightless Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Adventure. I'm going to get that all onto my eyelid. You don't have to be neat with this, you can be a little bit messy, and you can also get this onto the lower lash line as well. And then all you want to do is blend, 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 and making sure you can't see where it starts and finishes. So that's the key to this look. You just want it to look like it's all melted into the skin, and this is going to mimic that latte kind of shade on the eyes. I actually love this colour. It is such a beautiful me kind of bronze tone. And I feel like I can wear this for pretty much any kind of occasion, any kind of party, night out, anything like that. It is so stunning. It's actually going to be really beautiful with Indian clothes on as well. Just to make sure everything is looking seamless on the eyes, I am going to go in with a little bit of that bronzer and take it into the crease of my eyes. And this is just going to make sure everything is just slightly more blended in and looking really nice and seamless. So I actually have eyelash extensions on, and if you really want to, you can smoke a little bit of like a darker eyeliner onto your lash line. But I kind of feel like I don't need it just because my eyelashes are quite intense. And so I'm just gonna leave my eyes just like that. You can also add a little bit of mascara on your lower lashes, but I think I'm gonna leave it as this because I really like the like effortless, like brownie, golden, bronzy vibe that's going on my eyes. But you can go ahead and add some mascara if you want to. Moving on to lips, we are gonna make sure these are looking just really nice and juicy and glossy. And I feel like I've got the perfect combo for this. So I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, get that all lined on my lips and even fill my lips in and make sure that's got a nice bit of colour on there. And for the lip color, I'm going to take Bronze Glow from Makeup by Mario and get that on all over my lips. And this is going to give a really nice, hydrated, juicy, plumped up lip look. Last but not least, we're going to add one little layer of glow. And for that, I'm going to take the Beauty Crop Wee Cherie Hydrating Setting Mist, and it's just going to give a beautiful mist and glow to the skin. And that is the end of my latte inspired makeup look. Honestly, this is the kind of makeup that I wear pretty much all the time, especially whenever I want to do like a glam kind of look. But this is my take on it. I absolutely love it. I know I'm going to be wearing something similar for some events that I have coming up in this summer. But please let me know if you do recreate it. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Threads and every single social media platform. I'm on all of them. But all of the products that I've mentioned and used in this video will be linked in the description box as always. And I think that's everything from me. If I have forgotten, it will be there. And thank you just so much for your love and support over the last few years and for watching this video. And yeah, I think that's everything from me. Sending all of the love and the light from my heart to you guys, and I will see you all soon.